The government just unlocked the next AI. This isn't just another ChatGPT update. It's a new class of AI that just passed a secret government safety review, and it's aimed directly at high-skilled office work. Here's what really happened. OpenAI has rolled out GPT 5.6 and a new service called ChatGPT Work. But the reason it got a green light isn't its power. It's a critical safety feature that changes everything. Now the AI arms race just officially entered the workplace. So it happened. In a joint press release, OpenAI and a little-known government body, the AI Safety Institute, just announced two things. First, a new model, GPT 5.6, is rolling out. Second, it's launching with a brand new product called ChatGPT Work.
Wait, back up. The government has an AI Safety Institute that gives a green light? Since when?
It's new. Think of it like the FAA for AI. This is the first model to pass their accelerated review. They're trying to find a middle ground between letting companies run wild and strangling innovation with years of red tape.
So, what's the headline? Why is this a big deal?
Because ChatGPT Work isn't just a chatbot for your company's Slack channel. OpenAI is calling it a platform for autonomous AI agents. That's a major shift in what this technology is meant to do.
Okay, so AI agents. Is that just marketing speak for a better chatbot?
Not this time. The key upgrade in GPT 5.6 is something they're calling long context coherence. It doesn't just remember the last few things you said. It can manage a complex, multi-step project over days or weeks.
Like, what kind of project?
Imagine telling it, plan our Q3 product launch. It could then draft a project plan, schedule meetings by accessing team calendars, create a budget spreadsheet, and even assign tasks in a tool like Asana or Jira. It's less of a writing assistant and more of an autonomous project coordinator.
So, ChatGPT Work is the platform where you manage these agents.
Exactly. You don't just chat with it. You assign projects to specialized agents, a marketing agent, a financial analyst agent. And here's the kicker. With permission, these agents have tool use enabled. They can log in and operate your other software. Salesforce, HubSpot, GitHub. They can act on your behalf.
Letting an AI operate your company's Salesforce account sounds terrifying. How on earth did that get a government safety sign-off?
That is the most important part of this story. The approval wasn't because the AI is flawless. It will make mistakes. The approval was for OpenAI's new containment framework.
A containment framework? Like a digital cage?
Sort of. It's a sophisticated monitoring system. First, any high-risk action, like deleting a customer database or spending over a certain budget, is automatically flagged for mandatory human approval. No exceptions.
Okay, that's a smart guardrail.
Second, every single action an agent takes is logged in an immutable audit trail. Think of it like a black box for your AI. If something goes wrong, you have a perfect record of what the AI did, when, and why.
And the third piece?
A company-wide red button. An administrator can hit it and instantly freeze all AI agent activity across the entire organization. So, the pitch to the government wasn't "our AI is safe." It was "our system for controlling our AI is safe." They approved the safety scaffolding, not just the model itself. So, let's bring this down to earth. What does this mean for your career? If your job involves coordinating information, managing projects, or performing repetitive digital tasks, think paralegals, marketing coordinators, junior financial analysts. This technology is aimed squarely at you.
So the threat isn't that the AI will replace a senior analyst, but that one senior analyst can now supervise a team of AI agents doing the work of 5 junior analysts. Your job title might soon be AI Supervisor.
Precisely. And the second major implication is for business software. Why would a company pay $50 per seat for a project management tool, $150 for a CRM, and another $40 for a marketing automation platform,
when they can pay one subscription for ChatGPT Work and have AI agents orchestrate all those functions for a fraction of the cost?
Exactly. This is a direct shot across the bow of the entire B2B SaaS industry. The new competition isn't just a better product. It's a platform that can replicate the functions of your product with a simple prompt. So, if your company adopts this, are you supervising the AI, or is the AI supervising you? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Today, we decoded how OpenAI's new GPT-5.6 and ChatGPT Work platform got a government green light, not by being perfect, but by being controllable. This isn't just a smarter chatbot. It's a new fleet of AI agents designed to automate complex office work, putting both SaaS companies and many white-collar jobs on notice. If you want to stay ahead of how AI is changing your work and your money, subscribe to Decoded AI and hit the bell so you don't miss an update. Next week, we're investigating the shadow economy of AI data labelers right here in the US and why their working conditions might be the biggest risk to AI's future. That's the signal in the noise. AI Decoded.